It is a top priority for Welsh farmers and vets to keep farm animals healthy and safe by providing them with the best quality care.
Arwain DGC supports a network of vets called the Veterinary Prescribing Champions, or VPCs. They represent farm and mixed practices across Wales. We've worked with them to create their own bespoke antimicrobial stewardship action plans, tailored to the needs of their practice and client base. Our VPCs have been highly trained to promote responsible medicine use in farm animals. In addition to this network, two specialist working groups of VPCs have developed key initiatives to support the veterinary profession to prescribe responsibly. One of these initiatives is to develop two clinical guideline documents, focusing on 6 key diseases of cattle and sheep. This aims to support and harmonise veterinary care in Wales. For sheep, the clinical guidelines focus on watery mouth, lameness and joint ill. For cattle, the clinical guidelines focus on neonatal enteritis, mastitis and bovine respiratory disease. We have combined the evidence gathered from research on disease susceptibility, prevention and the appearance of antibiotic resistance with the knowledge and clinical experience of the vets in the working group to produce an in-depth reference book for each species, including an easy-to-use guide for practical use during advisory visits or animal treatment on farm. From 2023, we will be sending copies of the clinical guidelines to practices across Wales.
We are at the forefront of promoting responsible antibiotic use on Welsh farms by connecting industry experts and researchers with farmers and vets. For more information, please visit our website and follow us on social media using the hashtag @ArwainDGC.